The dream ride that defies weather. Hey buddy, imagine riding through a storm and staying completely dry. Sounds impossible, right? Well, one garage builder made it happen. A custom motorcycle that beats the rain. According to engineering blogs, waterproofing a bike is one of the toughest challenges in DIY design. But with creativity, patience, and a little garage magic, this builder changed the game. Next, let's dive into how this crazy idea even started. Segment 2. It started with one rainy ride. It all began when the builder got caught in a thunderstorm during his daily commute. Wet clothes, fogged visor, slippery roads, he had enough. The idea? Build a motorcycle that could laugh at rain. Science says most bike issues in rain come from open electrical parts and poor tire traction. So he started from there. Coming up, let's see what his first step was. Segment 3. The first step, protect the heart. He began with the most critical part, the engine. Engines hate moisture, and water can cause rust and misfires. His solution? A custom air intake system sealed with silicone and hydrophobic mesh. Simple, but genius. Tip: you can do something similar with your bike's exposed parts using rubber gaskets. Next, we'll see how he tackled the hardest part, the electrics. Segment 4. Electric shockproofing. Bro, electrical failure is every rider's nightmare in the rain. He completely rewired his bike, wrapping connections with marine-grade insulation. According to motorcycle engineers, that kind of waterproofing can extend component life by 40%. He even coated the spark plugs with dielectric grease to block moisture. Next time you ride in the rain, try it. It costs less than a lunch. Next up, how he handled the tires for wet traction. Segment 5. Mastering wet grip tires decide whether you stay up or slide out. He swapped his street tires for all-weather compounds with deep water channels. Research shows good rain tires can reduce hydroplaning by up to 80%. Tip: always check tread depth. Bald tires are your worst enemy in the rain. Next, we'll talk about the clever bodywork that keeps water out. Segment 6. DIY body panels that repel water. Instead of fancy fairings, he used recycled plastic panels coated with water-repellent wax. Surprisingly, that kept him drier than most adventure bikes. Experts say aerodynamics play a role too, shaping panels to redirect rain away from the rider. You can do it too with lightweight polycarbonate sheets. Up next, how he protected his chain from rust. Segment 7. Staying motivated through the struggle. He failed a dozen times before it worked. And that's the point. Innovation doesn't come from success. It's born from persistence. Bro, if you've got an idea sitting in your garage, start building it. No one gets it right the first time. Keep learning. Keep trying. Next, let's see how he solved the chain corrosion problem. Segment 8. The chain that never rusts. He designed a fully enclosed chain guard made from plexiglass and rubber seals. Add in a small oil drip system that keeps the chain lubricated even in storms. Experts confirm constant lubrication reduces wear by half. If you ride daily, this trick alone could save you tons on maintenance. Next, how he handled visibility. The biggest problem for rain riders. Segment 9. Beating fog and poor visibility. He built a small windshield with an internal heating wire powered by the bike's battery. That means no fogging up, ever. Research shows fogged visors reduce visibility by up to 60%, making this mod a lifesaver. You can use a similar heating film from online stores for your own setup. Next, let's see how he stayed visible to others too. Segment 10. Rainproof lights that cut through storms. He used LED fog lamps sealed with silicone and mounted low for better beam spread. Moisture never got in, even during heavy rain. Tip: avoid high beam use in rain. It just reflects off droplets and blinds you. His lighting setup turned storms into spotlight rides. Next, we'll check how he kept his seat and gear dry. Segment 11. Dry comfort on every ride. He made a waterproof seat cover from marine vinyl and fitted drainage holes underneath. Smart, right? No more soaked pants after parking in the rain. He even lined his gloves with quick-dry microfiber. Simple, practical touches that make daily rides much easier. Coming up, how he tested everything in real storms. Segment 12. Field test in the real world. The big test came during monsoon season. He rode over 200 miles through heavy downpours. No stalling, no water leaks. It wasn't just luck, it was engineering that worked. Tip: test your mods under light rain before pushing to extremes. Next, let's talk about how he improved his braking system. Segment 13. Keep going, you're learning. Like a pro buddy, this guy's success wasn't magic. It was small steps stacked together. Don't underestimate what you can build in your garage with patience and YouTube tutorials. Every mistake is just data for your next win. Now let's see how he made his brakes rain-ready. Segment 14. The rain-proof brake. Setup. Wet brakes lose friction fast. He drilled micro water channels into the disc surface to help water escape faster. Studies show that mod increases braking consistency by 25%. Tip: always check your pads for glaze buildup after riding in the rain. Next, how he tackled the exhaust system. Segment 15. The hidden danger in the exhaust water entering the exhaust can cause back pressure and stalling. So he raised his pipe angle slightly and welded a rain lip at the end. That simple tweak kept his engine safe. You can do the same if you live in rainy regions. Next, we'll talk about how he protected the paint and finish. Segment 16. The paint that rejects rain. He used ceramic coating mixed with a silicone polymer. It caused water to bead up and slide off instantly. Experts say ceramic coating not only repels water but prevents corrosion too. Tip: apply it twice a year for long-term shine and protection. Now, how did he keep the interior electronics bone dry? Segment 17. Inside the waterproof cockpit. He sealed the dashboard and switches with silicone gel and rubber caps. No short circuits, no flickering lights. Even the speedometer survived a full bucket test. Bro, never underestimate the power of cheap waterproof tape. It can save your ride. Next, let's explore the finishing touches that made his bike legendary. Segment 18. Final touches that make it shine. He installed underglow lights for visibility, a self-draining floor mat, and quick-dry covers. Everything was built for function, not show, but it turned heads everywhere. Tip: always combine style with practicality. That's real engineering. Now, let's wrap this up with what this project really means. Segment 19. The lesson behind the build. This bike isn't just about beating rain. It's about creativity, passion, and problem-solving in your own garage. You don't need millions, just time, patience, and a willingness to learn. That's what makes a builder different from a buyer. Next, let's close with a message for all riders out there. Segment 20. Wrap up and CTA. So, brother, if you've ever dreamed of building something unique, start now. Whether it's rainproofing your bike or tuning your engine, just take that first step, like, share, and comment your dream build below. And always consult a professional if you're modifying electrical systems or safety components. Ride safe, ride smart, and keep building from the heart.